Top 5 Heaviest Land Animals. At number 5, gaur, the wild cattle of India, weighing around 1,500 kilograms or 300 pounds. Pure muscle. Number 4, hippopotamus, the river beast, at 1,800 kilograms or 4,000 pounds. Cute smile, dangerous attitude. Number 3, white rhinoceros, a walking tank at 2,300 kilograms or 5,000 pounds. That horn means business. Number 2, Indian elephant, the wise giant, tipping the scales at 5,000 kilograms or 11,000 pounds. Big and majestic. And number 1, the true heavyweight king, the African bush elephant, a mind-blowing 6,000 kilograms or 1,300 pounds.